Hello you guys, how are you doing? I have here a Tomtom Go Premium and the battery is very bad. It only lasts for a few seconds. So if you turn on the device, after a few seconds it says low battery. So the Tomtom inscription flashed multiple times, and then the low battery, the red battery, came on and the device shut it down again. So before starting the works, be sure the device is shut down. Also, it's not in sleep mode. If you push very short on this, that it doesn't start up. So the device is shut down entirely now. Then you have to see that there is a micro SD card in it. If there is, you need to take it out. And then we will start from this part over here with the metal spudger and open it. So we have opened a little part over here. Now we're going to work on that side. Like that. Right. You can see I've pushed on this button, probably, and you can see battery is flat. So if you are opening it, be sure to not push on this button. So now we will work around this corner and then that corner, or in the other position, in the other sequence. Like that. And then also for this side, opening it. In the corner it's the most difficult. I think the best thing to do is to tilt the black side outwards, like this, and then like that. So now we have loosened it from the middle over here to the two sides, and we're over here now. So now we're going to open it above. And also on this side. That seems already very fine. And now lay the device like this, and you can, it seems that you can tilt it like this. We will make loose this part over here. In fact, we can't reach the battery now. So if you want to take it out very easily, you can heat it up and then the glue loosens. But normally it's also possible with this, so like that. And we can take the battery out. We will take the wires and tilt it a little bit like that, and then at the same time we will pull it in it. So like that. Be sure the black wires are above. So that's the battery, guys. This we need to order now. You can see model number VF6P, 3.7 volts, 1100 milliampere, 4.07 watt hours. Tip, Maxell is the brand, and they made it for Tomtom, of course. So we will see on some websites where we can order it, and then order a new one, and within a few days I can make the video from placing the new battery back in. So the new battery arrived, the replacement battery for the original battery, VF6P. Designed in Germany, made in China. So we will lift this up, and then we need to connect this connector over here. So the black side up, but first we will do some tape on the battery. Then we will lay the battery in. And connect it. And then we will test if it's working. So that already looked very fine. So it seems that it's working perfect. We will shut down it again. So, and if we want to protect this connector, we could do this cable back under this adhesive before we close it up. So that's back underneath the tape. Now we can close it. So that's closed perfectly. Now we will start it up again. So that all seems to work perfect. That's how you change this battery from a Tomtom Go Premium X. Now we will fully charge it and then we can use it again. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.